In today's video, we're going to be talking about fear and how fear kind of plays in with a lot of different things. So let's get right into it. I was at an event this past, actually 2 weekends ago. It was out in California. And in this event, as they were wrapping everything up, and like, trust me, there's a lot more that I took from this event than just this one thing, but this one thing, it really stands out. And I thought it was a very beautiful story. So I want to share it with you. They were talking about fear as they were wrapping up the event. And so I want to share with you this story that they were talking about fear, because fear is going to stop you from manifesting what it is that you are looking to bring into your life and call into your life. So the story that they were saying in this event, like that I went to, they were talking about how fear is like talking to a person, and the fear is instilling all of these different ideas into this person, and they're dark ideas. And she walked us through a meditation at the same time. And so ultimately what happened was fear had just instilled all of these terrible, scary ideas into the person that fear was talking to, and they were these dark, horrible ideas. They were just absolutely terrifying, could stop you from moving towards your goals, like straight in your tracks. And so fear turned to the person and said, you are allowed one question. You can ask me one question. And the person got up, and the person stood up and looked fear straight in the eye. And the person said, how do I overcome you? And fear said, by doing the opposite of what I say. So fear just instilled all of these dark, horrible, atrocious, terrifying ideas into this person, and then said, if you do the opposite of what I say, you will overcome me. And just so that you know, when you do the opposite of what fear says, and when you do the opposite, not only are you acting with bravery and with courage, but now you're also incorporating this component of opening the doors of opportunity for yourself. You're moving towards what it is that you're seeking, and you're moving yourself closer to what it is that you envision for yourself, your life, your reality. And so when you do the opposite of what fear says, then you can bring in and you can manifest in exactly what it is that you're looking for your life. So let's just use a really simple example very fast so that you get the idea of what it is that I'm trying to get across. If you're afraid to show up on camera online, right? Let's just say that's one of your fears. Fear is talking to you to be terrified of what people are going to say when you show your face on a video on the internet. If you do the opposite of that, you show your face on a video on the internet, and you record yourself and you put it out there on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, then you're opening the doors of opportunity and of possibility to moving yourself closer to the life that it is that you envision for yourself. Whether it's because you're looking to make money, whether it's because you're looking to influence people, whether it's because you're looking to get someplace with your portfolio, maybe you're, looking to build up your portfolio of videos, or of maybe, you're an actor or you're an actress and you're looking to get involved in more film, whatever the case may be. You take that step towards that reality when you overcome the fear that is talking in your head of, I'm afraid to show up online on camera. You overcome that when you take those steps and when you post those videos. And every time it's going to get better. If you looked at my videos compared to 2017, compared to now, my personality is so much more true of who I am than it was way back then. That was just so embarrassed. I look back on them, I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe that's me. Versus now, I'm way more comfortable. So when you let fear stop you, then you're not going to get to that opportunity. You're not going to get to that possibility. But when you overcome fear, and when you take those steps forward and you do the opposite of what fear says, that's when realities and the multiverse and possibilities and abundance, all of the things that you're looking for, open up to you. So I wanted to share that because it was a really beautiful story that we we went over, there was a meditation involved in it, and like, trust me, I am not going to do the meditation justice. I don't even think I did this story justice, but I wanted to share it with you because I thought it was this really beautiful story and this really beautiful lesson that came out of this event. And there are way more things that are going to come out of this event. And I would highly encourage you to subscribe and to turn on your notifications because there are going to be more videos that are going to be coming. But just wanted to share this one with you quickly because I know that it is a really good lesson to take with you for anything that you are looking to do going forward. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.